unicorn.
Hello little unicorns, it's Chili Pilly. Today we are going to draw a magical unicorn. Are you guys ready to draw with me? Let's start with the unicorn head. Now let's draw the magical horn. I love drawing, it's so fun to draw. Try to draw with me. Now let's draw our unicorn ears and cute eye. Wow, look at the magical horn! Our magical unicorn is very happy. We can't forget the tail. Let's draw a big swirl fluffy tail at the back.
Let's color it.
Now is the fun part. Let's color our magical unicorn. I'm coloring the unicorn with purple, green, yellow and pink. But in magic unicorn art, you can use any color you like. Just have fun drawing and coloring. Did you know that unicorns have super hearing? They can hear a fairy sneeze from a miles away. Wow, our magical unicorn looks so magical.
Amazing!
Hope you guys loved it. Please subscribe.